Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be following Hailey Bieber's makeup tutorial on Vogue. She recently did one with them and I'm just curious to see how it will look on me. I'm interested. It's very interesting, very natural, so I just want to try it out. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'll be watching her video on YouTube over here and then following the tutorial.
Hey Vogue, it's Hailey Bieber and I am back again doing beauty secrets. I'm gonna walk you guys through my everyday makeup routine and I'm gonna also do my date night glowy going out makeup look. I'm gonna start with this Environ moisturizing
Okay, so I'm going to be skipping through the skincare stuff and getting right into the makeup tutorial, as that is what we'll be following.
Now I'm going to start my glam, my makeup. I love glowy foundation. I love something that feels like it's just enhancing the skin. I love the Chanel Vitalumiere. Ugh, don't come for me for butchering that. Because I really love that natural skin, I like to take one pump of the peptide glazing fluid and I just mix it. I'm applying it with my hands. I learned from Pat McGrath. That was the way that I watched her apply foundation backstage at shows. And I know a lot of people are weird about using their hands for makeup, but I just feel like I don't get as nice of a natural finish when I don't do it this way. So I brought it down into my neck too. I go a little bit darker with my face foundation because my face is always more pale than my body and I want to try to warm it up and match it. I want a little bit more coverage sometimes. This is the Kosas concealer. I just love that it's like creamy and hydrating and leaves just this dewy finish on the skin. I find a lot of inspiration on Pinterest. I come across really cool makeup ideas and makeup photos. Anytime I get inspired by something, I always twist it and make it my own. And when I'm doing my own makeup, I know what I'm capable of and I know what I'm not. So I feel like for me, it's always leaning on the natural side. There's one more spot that I want to put a little bit of concealer. Where I learned this one, you guessed it, I saw it on TikTok. Placing it there definitely makes a big difference. I feel like it gives you that like lifted, a little bit more sculpted look. This is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. I've been using this for years, that's how much I love it. I don't like to do like very harsh cuts with contour. I definitely lean more towards very like hydrating, creamy products because I do have dry and sensitive skin. The base that I'm using for the eye is REM Beauty. This is Ariana Grande's brand. I love this eye product. It's really pigmented, but also if you want to just do a little bit, it's not overpowering. A little goes a long way. I want to be vocal about supporting women-founded and women-led brands. As a new founder myself, this is the Kylie Cosmetics Stormy palette. She doesn't make it anymore. This is the color Perfect Storm. Because I have hazel eyes, anything that's in the more like browns and taupees. Rowan Beauty eyeshadow palette in Mood Forever. This one right here. I'm going to go with the Perfect Storm eyeshadow and just go back over it right in my crease. Stormy really did something with this palette. She killed it. I'm gonna have to go back to LA and have a meeting with Stormy about reproducing this product. This is the Anastasia Clear Eyebrow Gel. I've definitely gone on a brow journey. Like I was looking back at some pictures of myself when I was younger and I was like, why did I do that to my brows? They were like so thin on the end. It was tragic, obviously. The mascara I'm going to use is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Recently, I haven't been liking putting mascara on the bottom, only on the top, just because I feel like it's more fresh looking. know why I'm making my life complicated. I'm literally crossing my arms and trying to do this. Guys, you don't know what it's like living in this brain. I've talked about this Makeup Forever palette before. I really love it. I'm going to use this color right here. I honestly find myself being so impressed just with how many amazing creators there are on TikTok and on Instagram, and just find myself being so captured by the way people can do their own makeup. And that's how I've learned about a lot of Dior Backstage Rosy Glow powder blush. This one is like super beautiful and gives this like baby pink glow. Yesterday I was looking back on old red carpet looks that I've done, and my God, there were some things that absolutely love. This Makeup Forever multi-use lip eye wherever pencil. I really love my natural lip color, so I feel like anytime I can find products that feel like they enhance it, I definitely gravitate towards those products and those colors. I am definitely an overliner of the lips, but not dramatically, just a little bit. I like to kind of just like buff it out and blend it out a little bit. And then on the top, the only place I really overline is just right here in the Cupid's bow, and then I follow my natural line as I go down. I'm gonna go in with the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. I don't leave the house without the night. And the last thing I'm gonna do is a little bit of powder. This is the Kosas Cloud Set powder. I like to just go in the areas where I feel like I need to kind of lock in the makeup. I like to bring a powder out with me because throughout the night I feel like I start to notice that this gets a little bit shiny. So I'm just gonna put the hair down. This is my go-to night out, glowy date night look. Thank you so much for watching.
Wow, you guys, that is it. That is the end of Hailey Bieber's tutorial. I definitely love it. I will not lie. As when I started out, I didn't think I'd like it so much. I was like, maybe those won't work out for me, but I really love it, especially when she didn't do her eyebrows. You know, I was like, I don't have as much eyebrows. And also she didn't contour here. And you know, she has a chiseled chin, I have a double chin. So I was like, what's gonna happen there? But and her nose contour is very different for me. But all in all, I like how it came out. I think also the blush and the lip gloss helped. The blush definitely helped. I love blush. We blush it out all the way. So I enjoyed that. I love this look, you guys. Let me know what you think. I think it's so cute. I think it's so pretty. I love it. I think it's an everyday look, so I could definitely wear this on days where I'm not feeling like wearing makeup or looking like I'm wearing makeup. One thing I really enjoyed is also the application of the foundation, which was also weird for me in the beginning, but I actually enjoyed it. I think it's something different, but it's definitely it gives you that natural finish of the foundation. But all in all, yes, you guys, that is the end of the tutorial. Let me know if there's anything that you enjoyed or anything that you might want to try out, or what you think about my finished look versus Hailey Bieber. Did I nail it? Did I follow her properly? Let me know down in the comments. Remember, if you aren't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and join the fam, and ring that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.